Let's find the derivative of sine squared of x squared. Why this expression? No reason. It's just to do something. First, we write the expression. We have the derivative of bracket, sine of x squared, close bracket, all raised to the second. Notice the 2 in the outside exponent. We need this so we can see which is the inside function and which is the outside function. We've moved the exponent of 2 into a new position, so it's clear what the nesting is. Also, we've added brackets around sine of x squared. Here, the inside function is sine of x squared. This is the inside with respect to the 2 in the exponent on the brackets. The chain rule applies. Recall that the derivative of a composition of two functions is the derivative of the outside, evaluated at the inside, multiplied by the derivative of the inside. In words, we get f prime of g of x multiplied by g prime of x. Here, we put the 2 from the bracket exponent down in front of the brackets. We copy the inside sine of x squared. We subtract 1 from the 2 on the bracket and multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is sine of x squared. Now we focus on finding the derivative of sine of x squared. We have a new inside and a new outside. Here, the outside function is the sine function, and the inside function is the square of x function. This tells us we have to use the chain rule again. The derivative of sine is cosine. We copy the x squared part unchanged as the argument of cosine. We multiply by the derivative of x squared. This gives us cosine of x squared multiplied by 2x. So we get 2 times the bracketed quantity sine of x squared, raised to the first. This is further multiplied by cosine of x squared times 2x. It's conventional to write the expression with the brackets as just 2 sine of x squared. You should pause here and review this notation carefully. Please be sure to subscribe and leave a like, too. This gives us the expressions so far for the derivative 2 sine of x squared times cosine of x squared times 2x. We've had to use the chain rule twice. By convention, algebraic expressions like 2x get placed first left to right, so we have 2 times 2x times sine of x squared times cosine of x squared as our final answer. Remember the first 2. Don't forget to multiply the 2 by the 2 to make 4. Here is all the work from top to bottom for easy reference.